Alright, update video. It's day 3, Sunday. I jinxed us with the Formula 1, so I'm not going to say anything about that again. But my word, that was a master plan from Red Bull and qualifying. Anyway, let's not talk about it. Let's not talk about it. Carmen's over there. We, I'm not going to lie. Sitting here, it's pretty boring. Nothing really happens. So we've gotten a bit of a routine. I did some study work for, our employment, just to make sure we know everything that we need to know. There's a lot of, manuals and training videos that we're doing. So we're just redoing everything just to make sure we really know our stuff when we get there, because I think we're going to have to hit the ground running. I've just finished a nice hour session. I'm going to go to the gym now. Carmen's going to do a session now. She's over there by the desk, ready to work.
Ready to go.
Wow, cringe. Ready to go. Anyway, so just some things that we've noticed. Their hotel, I think they have a water treatment plant, part of the hotel, so that when they get water off the normal grid, they treat it, with like a soapy alkaline, or not alkaline, a base. Base is the soap. With like a treatment, I don't know, whatever. I'm not a scientist, but anyway, they treat the water and it makes it very soapy. So when you're showering, you rinse off the soap on your body or the shampoo, and it feels like there's still soap in your hands, like your hands feel oily. When you dry everything off, it feels fine, but when you I don't know, the water feels weird, so we don't want to drink the water.
Yeah,
so
when you rinse and it still feels like there's soap or oil like on your hands, and then you try and rinse it, but it doesn't like come off, like it just constantly feels like soapy or like oily. So we don't want to drink that water, even boil it, we're too scared. So like we just go through these like little waters that they give us, and like we constantly just have to get, because
it sounds so bad, it sounds very judgmental and everything, but like you hear all these stories of people going to foreign countries and then they get like sick and they get jipper guts and all their vomiting and everything, and I don't want to take that risk. My sister's also, she spent a lot of time in India and places like that, and obviously India, Kenya, two complete different things, but she got super sick, and she didn't even drink the water, she just brushed her teeth and then that was that. And she was also in a hotel, so we just rather we're not going over the top. We've heard of some people here that are literally brushing their teeth with bottled water, but like we're not doing that. That's stupid. We just won't drink the water out of the tap. It's just rather to be, I mean, like at home, if I'm honest, at home I would never drink the water out of the tap, and that's in Pretoria in South Africa.
We're not taking risks. I do not feel like sitting on the toilet for 2 weeks while I'm here.
Yeah,
so
exactly.
Rather just play it safe,
That's not really much has changed. The food is really, really good here. The service, the staff are really nice. I do feel that some of the other people that are on the same program as us, that are also having to quarantine here for 2 weeks, are taking a bit, I don't want to say, they're taking the piss, I think. It's sad.
It's serious, like it's a quarantine, like you're supposed to like be in your room, do the whole distance thing, keep to yourself.
Look, you can go to the gym and go to the pool and everything, but that's like, there's very few people at the pool, and pool's outside, and at the gym there's only like 1 or 2 people at the gym because people aren't here they don't want to gym, they don't really care. Jeez, my vlogging arm isn't strong, you can see I'm not a vlogger. Let's just turn so that the light's better on my face. It's just, I don't know, it's like, they're partying. I'm just gonna put it bluntly, every night you just hear people shouting in the corridors, playing music loud, and they're getting drunk, and you can see the bar staff are getting fed up because, if you ask for anything, like, can I just get a glass, for the room, nothing's, if you want to drink water out of a glass as opposed to out of the bottle, or you ask for ice, they get a bit miffed with you, the staff, because the people here, they're just getting ice buckets and they're getting drunk, and then the room service has to clean, and it's just bottles, and it's a bit disgusting. Some of the people, they kind of spoiling it for the rest of us, but hey, what can you do? You can just stay in your lane and you can't control other people, so we just leave them. But it is a little bit annoying when you're sleeping and then you just hear people screaming at 5 a.m. and I don't know. It's like, and then there's other people here staying here too, because it's a very nice hotel. So we've met some American people and some locals. You know, there was like a function here. So I don't know. But yeah, we waffling on now. 5 minutes.
We're just rambling on. Nothing's really happening. We're just trying to update you guys and keep it as real as possible. You know. Because obviously when you in a hotel room for 2 weeks, there's nothing much that's going to go on. So we're just trying to bring you along, share the experience with you guys, and keep it real.
Yeah, but we'll have another update video a little bit later at another time. But like I said, please, follow, like, subscribe, I don't know, all that stuff, because it just helps, and then you guys can keep track with what we're doing. Because obviously in the future we're going to be in much cooler places. We're going to be in the US, and there's a lot of places. We have friends that are already there and they know where the cool hotspots are, tourist places and nice places to see, hidden gems and things like that. So yeah, follow us and on Instagram, and subscribe to the channel. Show your support. We would really appreciate it if you do. So yeah, to the next one.
Bye guys.